Welcome back to Phronosis. I'm Goodluck, and I hope your week was as vibrant as the AI designs we discussed last time.
Honestly, Goodluck, I'm still thinking about that invisible decorator episode. I actually tried playing with the AI layout for my cramped parlor, and it suggested moving my sofa to a spot I never even considered. It's like having a professional interior designer in my pocket.
Exactly. You're seeing that AI isn't just for tech bros, it's for anyone who wants to create beauty. But today, Damilola, we're moving from the physical room to the digital page.
Oh, are we talking about writing? Because that's where I usually hit a wall. I have ideas, but the moment I see that blinking cursor on a white screen, my brain just goes blank.
You aren't alone. That blinking cursor can be the most intimidating thing in the world. Today, we meet the Storyteller Bot to help us conquer that. Before we get into the how, first, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a town famous for its fabrics, there lived a weaver named Ife. She was a legend. She could weave stories of heroes and the sea right into her rugs.
Sounds like she had it all figured out.
She did, until one Harmattan morning, she woke up feeling empty. She sat at her loom for days. No patterns, no inspiration. The yarn felt like lead.
I know that feeling. That's me every time I try to write a LinkedIn post.
Well, one evening, a tiny glowing bird landed on her loom. It didn't weave a whole rug for her. It just tucked one single shimmering golden thread into the corner and chirped a little melody.
Just one thread? That's it?
That's all she needed. Seeing that gold sparkled something in her mind, she thought, that looks like a lightning bolt. She grabbed her blue yarn, then her gray, and by morning she'd made her masterpiece. The bird didn't do the work, it just gave her the spark.
So, wait, is the AI the bird in this scenario?
Precisely. In our world, the AI is the Storyteller Bot. Whether you're writing a bedtime story for your kids or a caption for your business, the hardest part is that first thread.
But isn't that, I don't know, cheating? If the AI gives me the start, is it still my story?
That's the Phronosis perspective, Damilola. It's about collaboration, not replacement. You provide the heart, the core idea. The AI provides the golden thread, the structure or a creative angle you missed. You are still the weaver. The AI is just handing you the first few inches so you can get moving.
Okay, I like that. I'm the weaver. The AI is just my assistant bird. How do I actually get it to give me the right thread?
Let's try it right now. Think of something you need to write.
Well, my daughter's birthday is coming up. I wanted to write her a little story about a brave girl in Lagos whose bicycle can suddenly talk, but I got stuck.
Perfect. Step 1 is the half idea. You have the girl and the setting. Step 2 is the spark request. Don't ask the AI to write the whole book. Just ask for threads.
So I should type, I want to write a story for my daughter about a girl in Lagos whose bicycle can suddenly talk. Give me 3 different ways the story could start.
Exactly. One might be funny, one might be a mystery. Step 3 is to choose and expand. Once you pick one, you ask for more specific sparks.
Like, I like option 2. Now give me 5 funny things the bicycle says while they are stuck in 3rd Mainland Bridge traffic.
Now you're weaving. And it works for business too. You can tell it, act as a witty social media manager. I have a photo of a kitchen I designed. Give me 5 golden thread hooks to make people stop scrolling.
I see it now. I'm not just staring at the cursor, I'm having a conversation with the ideas.
That's the realization, Damilola. You didn't wait for inspiration, you created it.
This actually makes writing feel a lot less lonely.
Creativity is a conversation, not a solo performance. You don't have to be a genius alone in a room. You just have to be a boss who knows how to ask for a spark.
I'm going to try this on a difficult email I've been avoiding.
That's your homework. Find one thing you've been meaning to write, ask the Storyteller Bot for 3 ways to start, pick the best one and make it yours.
I'm on it. What are we doing next week?
Next week, we're stepping outside into the garden to meet the robot gardener. We'll see how AI can help us identify and fix the physical things we see every day.
I'll bring my gardening gloves.
I'm Goodluck, she's Damilola, and this is the Phrenesis AI podcast. Stay creative, keep weaving, and we'll see you next week.